Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Tuo Zaafi or Ghanafood on your own. So kindly watch this video if you are someone who always go to Amaria enjoying the queue, okay? So in my pot, I will add water to it, and here, before you make Tuo Zaafi, you have to make porridge, okay? So I will cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Whilst at it, I am going to make the solution. I will be using it to make the porridge. So in my bowl, I will add some corn flour and then add water. Mix it to form a uniform consistency. Here, make sure not to let the solution be lumpy. If not, your Tuo Zaafi will be very lumpy. And this is the consistency we want, not too thick and not too light. So I will set it aside and then check on the water. And here the water is boiling very well. And make sure to make it boil. If not, your Tuo Zaafi will be dead. So here I am going to add the solution to the hot water and stir it very fast as possible. After adding the solution, I will then stir it in a circular motion for everything to mix very well. And here I am going to allow it to boil again for at least 5 minutes or till I see it's boiling very well. And this is the consistency we are looking for. If yours is thick, just add water because it will thicken up as it boils. So here I will allow it to boil. I will not cover it because if you cover it and it boils, it will mess up the whole place. Whilst waiting, I am going to mix the flour we will be using. And I added 2 cups of the maize flour. And I added 1.5 cup of the cassava flour. Mix till it is well combined. And if you don't want the cassava flour, you can skip that part. So back to the porridge. It is boiling so good, and here I am going to fetch 1/3 of the porridge and then set it aside. If you are still with me to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. So here I am going to use this metal to support the cauldron, or that I'm saying. And if you don't have the metal, you can use a napkin and then do your thing, but please be careful, okay? So here I am going to add the flour into the porridge. And if you are a first timer, please don't do what I did. Just be adding it bit by bit as you stir. So I am going to stir it in a circular motion very fast because we don't want the Tuo Zaafi to be lumpy here. Keep on stirring it continuously as fast as possible in a circular motion, just like this. And I will be tapping in front of the cauldron with the Tuo Zaafi just like this to break any hidden lumps. And I am on other social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen, and I will leave all the links in the description box. Do well and follow me there too, okay? If you don't want your Tuo Zaafi to be too soft, just like mine, then you need to add more of the flour when you are starting with the Tuo Zaafi, okay? So that it will be hard for you. Or you can make the corn flour be more than the cassava flour so that it will be very hard for your liking. And the Tuo Zaafi becomes very hard when it cools down, so make sure to adjust it to your satisfaction. And once you notice your Tuo Zaafi is lump free, here is the time for you to add the porridge we fetched earlier on. So I will be adding some of the porridge and then I will stir it gently till everything is well combined, and then I will continue with the other remaining porridge. At this stage, the Tuo Zaafi has turned into a liquid form, and if I say I will stir it in front of me, it might hurt me. So I will be tapping it just the way you saw me do. So it is well combined, then I will start stirring it in a circular motion, and then after everything is well combined, I will then add the remaining porridge to it, and I will continue with the stirring process.
Subscribe to the channel, new video every week, ring the bell and get notified when we upload.
At this point, I am going to add water to it and allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes because I want the tuo zaafi to be well cooked. So I will just do it like this for the water to spread evenly in the tuo before I cover it and allow it to boil. After 10 minutes, I will then continue with the stirring process till everything is well combined. So at this point, the tuo is almost ready. We just want it to mix very well and then we can dish it. If you are still with me and you haven't subscribed, please do so before you forget, okay? And thank you so much in advance, and please don't forget to share this video, okay? Thank you. So here I will mix everything thoroughly, and then the tuo zaafi is ready now. So I will dish it into my earthenware bowl known as asanka, and for the rest you can use banana or plantain leaves to wrap them, which I don't have some currently. And you can use a rubber or a nylon to continue with it, and you will just fetch some and transfer it into the nylon, then you wrap it just like this and then set it aside. The tea set is set, and I am going to pair this with some ayoyo soup, and with the ayoyo soup I will be uploading the video very soon, and the tuo zaafi stew video will be uploaded any moment from now. So stay with me as I will be bringing you the video shortly. So please don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to get you notified when I drop the videos, okay? Onuya, the way the tuo zaafi was delicious, eh? If you don't try some this weekend, and you do yourself, oh guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.